Welcome to Performance. In this video, we're going to take you on a tour of the employee role. Let's begin by looking at the different kinds of performance reviews. There is a traditional review where your manager will go through a review with you and make comments along the way. Then there is a self-review. A self-review is a review that you fill out, then submit to your manager for their comments. To see your reviews, click on My Reviews at the left side of the Staff module. Here, you can see any reviews that are in progress, require your signature, or are completed. If your reviews are done with your manager, then this screen will be used to see past reviews and to sign completed reviews. If a self-review is created for you, you can start the review from here. Depending on how your account administrator has set up the review template, what you see in this video may be different from what you actually see. When beginning a review, the first thing you'll see is an introduction screen with the due date of the review. Be sure to click Save and Continue at the end of every section in order to progress through the review. Next is Goals, where you will see goals that were due during the review period. You can add your comments at the top of each section. In Skills, you will see any changes to your skills that happened during the review period. If there was any feedback submitted during the review period that you are able to see, it will be shown in the feedback section. If any notes were added to your profile during the review period that you have permission to see, they'll be shown in the Notes section. In Attendance, you will see a summary of your time off taken during the review period. You will see a total for each type, as well as each request that makes up that total. If the Warnings module is used, you'll see any warnings that you have received during the review period. Next, we have the Questionnaire. There will be a series of questions for you to answer based on different aspects of your job. After completing the questionnaire, you can add any final comments. Once you click on Finalize, the manager will have a chance to review your answers. Now we'll look at Goals. This is where you can create and modify goals that you set for yourself or your manager sets for you. On the My Goals screen, you can see your goals organized by status: all goals, incomplete, completed, overdue, or archived. To create a goal, click on Create Goal at the right side. Give it a name, description, and a due date, and that's it. After the goal is created, you can click on Send Status Report to update your manager on what you've done to progress towards the goal. An email will be sent to your manager with your comments. The comments that you send will show up when you click on View Comments. To change the percentage completed for the goal, click on the Edit button to the right and move the slider. Lastly, we'll look at 360-degree feedback. This is how you can give feedback about yourself, manager, or a peer, which is anyone in your department. Depending upon how your account administrator has set up this feature, you may or may not be able to give feedback for all three. you can find feedback that's been shared with you on the 360-degree feedback screen. Click on the feedback to view the questions that have been answered about you. To create new feedback, click on Create Feedback at the right side. In this example, we'll create peer feedback. Choose the person's name. Choose if the feedback will be shared with this person only their manager, both the person and their manager, or everyone in their department. If your account administrator has turned on the option, you may be able to submit the feedback anonymously. Please note that if you choose to do so, your account administrator can reveal your identity. Next, answer the questions. And then submit the feedback. Whoever you have chosen to share the feedback with will be notified. If you have any questions, feel free to email our customer success team at support@PurelyHR.com. Also, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon below to be notified of all of our future how-to videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy Purely HR.